straddled to the Fosbury flop in 3 months. Amazing. This is the lineup for the 800 meters for women. The final coming up here. We've got Sansala Senvera representing Sri Lanka.
Lakshmi Priya Kisan, here in bib number 147, Lakshita Vinod Sandalia from India. Abhisheka Pemasri from Sri Lanka, the last competent in the women's 800 meters. We have a total of 5 contestants in this women's 800 meters category. Lakshmi Priya from India, Rashid Jeek Ashraf from Maldives, and wow! Fantastic Pooja once again. What a performance it was. Is it a fall jump? Is it a fall jump? Let's have a look. Yes, it was. Yes, it was. It's a bad luck for her. But despite of that, she made her way, beating her personal best of 1.83. She gone for 1.84 meters in her previous jump. Pooja from India. Her coach Balwan Singh and her father Amason have been instrumental in supporting her journey despite financial constraints. I have earlier mentioned Pooja broke her own national under-20 record by clearing 1.83 meters at the World Athletics Under-20 Championships in August 2024, qualifying for the finals with several competitions ahead, including the Commonwealth Youth Games. She is seen as a strong contender to surpass the national record of 1.92 meters set in 2012. Coming back to the women's 800 meters, 5 athletes from India, Maldives, Sri Lanka, and one more athlete from India and Sri Lanka. We have a world junior record of 1 minute 54.01 of Pamela Jelimo from Kenya on 29th August 2008 at Zurich. And the Asian junior record of 1 minute 57.18 of Wang Yuan from China, which was held on 8 September 1993 in Beijing. Coming to South Asian junior best record, clocking a timing of 2 minutes 0.66 seconds of Tarushi Dilsara Karura Ratna of Sri Lanka on 16 July in 2023 in Bangkok. The championship record of 2 minutes 07.73 made by Dilshi Shyamali of Sri Lanka on 6th May in 2018, which was held in Colombo. So these are the under-20 records. On the screen we can see the 5 athletes, 2 from India, 1 from Maldives and 2 athletes from Sri Lanka. Tanvi Malik, Here starts the race going for the 800 meters of women's. From outside, we can see in lane number 7, Abhisheka Premasiri taking the lead, and at the bend, at the back stretch, still the lead. Coming to the home stretch, bib number 233, Abhisheka Premasiri taking the lead. Very close in the first lap. Still the lead continues with the Sri Lankan athlete. Oh, very close it was, going for the final lap, second lap. They will definitely give their 100% best in the finishing lap. Still the lead continues with Abhisheka Premasiri of Sri Lanka in bib number 233, followed by Vinod Sandilya of India, and in the third position also we can see the Indian athlete Lakshmipriya Kisan. Wow, fantastic! Bib number 147 Lakshita tries to dominate her at the bend. Yes, clearly the domination we can see by the Indian athletes. Very close moment for the Sri Lankan athlete Abhisheka Premasiri. Coming to the home stretch, very tight competition between the Sri Lankan and Indian athlete. It is the final lap. Remember, mind it. But here the gold medalist, we can see the Sri Lankan athlete Abhisheka Premasiri. Fantastic finish. What a stamina, what an endurance we have seen. Still the beginning of the race, we have seen a good start from the athlete. She kept herself motivated. Once again in the replay we can see in the start taking the lead from the outside. Kept it consistent till the end. Abhisheka had proved herself. The athlete from Sri Lanka, here at one particular time we have seen Lakshita Vinod dominating Abhisheka, but within few fraction of seconds, not in a matter, she had once again taken the lead. Abhisheka kept it till the end. That is what the consistency, the strength we have seen from Abhisheka, the girl from Sri Lanka, taking the gold. Here comes the result. Abhisheka Premasiri of Sri Lanka clocking 2 minutes 10.17 seconds, taking the gold medal in women's 800 meters. Lakshmipriya Kisan of India bagging the silver medal, clocking at 2 minutes 10.87 seconds. And the girl from Sri Lanka, Sansala Himashani Sene, clocking at 2 minutes 12.13 seconds, takes the